This video is to help those who've been struggling with the Old Rag Mountain loop trail. I'm going to start at step 6 after everybody, assuming everybody has already downloaded the DEM and unzipped it. I'm going to work along here and just tell you what steps I'm on as I go. I'm on step 8. Okay, step 9, remove the original raster. Going to add a base map. It's always a good idea to let the DEM load completely before you try to do anything. Search for Old Rag Mountain. I zoomed in too far. I'm going to set it to what it says in the instructions. Set it to 1 to 150,000. Oops. Okay. Analysis. This is step 12. Create feature class. Correct location. OR study area. Polygon. Coordinate system, same as the map. Run. This was a step that confused people because they thought they were going to see that field area show up on their desktop, the black line or square. But all you've done is created a brand new feature that you have to edit. So we keep this highlighted right here. Sorry, like that. And click on edit. And create. And there's the editable feature that we just created. And going to use the rectangle. I'm going to turn off the DEM for this for a minute. There's this little mountain right here. I'm going to click there, drag straight down to below this town of Syria right here. To just above this town of Hayward, and so it makes about basically a square. Then we're going to save it. Yes, save edits. We can go ahead and hit the clear box to get rid of the turquoise ring or boundary. Then click on the box in the table of contents and click on this black outline. And at this point it does look like the instructions. Go ahead and save your map. Okay, we're going to extract by mask. turn back on the old rag feet, search under analysis, tools, and this time in the G processing window, search for extract by mask. There it is, spatial analyst. The input raster will be old rag feet. The raster or feature that we'll use to cookie cutter this DEM, the old rag portion, is going to be the old rag study area. And what we'll call this new piece of this new small extracted piece of the DEM, name it, I'm going to name this one OR elevation, old rag, so it's OR, capital R, elevation, or ELV, ELEV. Check environments. Output, this is where some people made a mistake. Check your environments and click on current map. Set your extent to old rag mountain study area. Don't worry about snap raster. Cell size, leave it at maximum. Mask, let that be the old rag study area, and then run it. You'll notice that it looks a little different, has a new appearance. And now we can turn off old rag feet, and you remove it and save project. Okay, I'm going to stop this one at that point.